It's been a very interesting time since the last update that we did for the business. Early 2020, and is well documented all around the world, not just within the business, that there's been a lot of change to contend with. So a lot's happened, an awful lot's happened. We obviously had a lot of plans that we were about to put into place, which we had to reevaluate and change to cope with a considerably different working environment to the one that we anticipated. But we really have achieved an awful lot, and the whole industry has done really well as well. We've been lucky. We've been very lucky because the electrical industry was allowed to carry on working, construction carried on, and the numbers are very positive. So we're looking at it now. It looks a lot different to how we thought it would look this time last year, but it's also very positive. So we rolled out the distributor policy right the way across our customer base. We've also restructured the way that the team work, and one of the big changes was that very important step in terms of making everybody an Electrium salesperson. The business is known as Electrium, but we've got very strong brands. The brands aren't disappearing, but we now have a full team of people, both aimed at distributors selling Electrium products and aimed at contractors, installers and specifiers selling Electrium products. So the whole team can now sell the full basket of products. The distributor, I think the major benefit is single point of contact. So in terms of the structural changes, they're now dealing with one person where previously they'd have probably dealt with three. And that for them is an obvious improvement. They can come to us, they can talk about the complete portfolio, and because of the changes in the commercial terms that we put in place, it also means that they've got better access to product. From a specifier point of view, from a contractor point of view, I guess it's being able to talk about the width of product with a single point of contact, but it really is about having a wider basket of products available. So we're able to vary the product conversation subject to the needs of the job, whereas previously, once the product conversation changed, we've probably had to change the person. So in a nutshell, single point of contact is the key benefit for everybody. It's all been driven around being as customer friendly as we can, listening to what our customers have said to us, understanding their needs better, making sure that we're giving them more of what they want, and what they wanted was an easy to deal with business that could talk to them about the complete portfolio. People can get at products far more simplistically across brands. We've opened up other brands to people who were denied access to them in the past who wanted to trade, and then adding in a bunch of people who can talk about the full offer, and the two have gone together very well indeed. The bigger thing is access to product. We've got a great product portfolio, and the previous policies, whilst fantastic in products that people did buy from us, were very restrictive in terms of things that people didn't buy. What we've done now is we've made it very clear we'd like to deal with people more often across more products. We're driving that message into the market, and as our customers are hearing that, they are open to the idea, and they're looking to do more business with us. It's been very well welcomed within an industry at a time when people have been readjusting their businesses. The easier we are to deal with, the more they like it. It's well documented that the world and the industry has had problems, but the flexibility and understanding that's been shown really from everybody has enabled us all to get through a difficult situation. A flourishing business and a flourishing industry, and it's testament to the people who work in both. So my thanks goes out to everybody internally and externally for what they've done through what's been a very difficult time for us all, and just looking forward now to really moving out of that. So yeah, a really big pat on the back to everyone.